Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to make a ringtone, a custom ringtone for iPhone iOS 18. For example, if you do not want to use a simple ringtone on your iPhone as in the default ringtones, so if you want to create a new and custom ringtone for iPhone iOS 18, so how you can do that? Well, this what you have to do. You have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to simply go to general, and you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network setting. Now if you want to use the ringtone, then you have to simply go to settings here. So here you can simply go to sound and haptics, and after that you can find the ringtones all here. So if you want to make a custom ringtone, then for iPhone iOS 18, so how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply go back. Now you have to simply open the Safari. Here are the details that how you can create custom ringtone on Apple Sport. So if you first of all, you have to simply download an app named GarageBand on your iPhone. After that, you can simply create a ringtone from audio file. If you don't have iPhone, you can download it from the App Store. You have to go to home screen, and after that you have to touch and hold the GarageBand, and after that the GarageBand, open the track button at the top of the screen. You have to click on instrument actor, and you can simply detail get all the details here. Here you can simply find. You have to simply touch and hold the file, then drag the file all the way to the left track view. So there are details available. So here you can simply search for it. So if you want to use a particular section of the song for your editing, then you have to click on audio file in the tracks view in the GarageBand app, and after that you have to simply click on precise editing, and after that, when you have selected, you can simply drag it to the other option. After that, you can simply click on share button and then tap ringtone, and after that you can simply name it, and you can use as your ringtone on your iPhone iOS 18. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.